Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will be discussing Leetcode 2269 problem. Find the k beauty of a number. It is the problem. It is an easy level problem which came on Leetcode bi-weekly contest which was conducted yesterday. So let's read the problem statement first. The k beauty of an integer num is defined as the number of substrings of a num when it is read as a string that meets the following conditions. It has the length of k. It is the divisor of num. Given integers num and k, return the k beauty of a num. Note, leading zeros are allowed. 0 is not a divisor of any value, and a substring is a contiguous sequence of characters in a string. So I have noted our first example in the whiteboard. So let's proceed to the whiteboard. The question is saying that here k means that we are considering the k digits of the number, and the the digit should be a substrings. A substring is a consecutive sequence of characters. So if we'll consider the first two, which is 2 and 4, and if we will take the mod of 240 mod 24, it comes out to be 0. So it means the condition, so our answer will be incremented by 1. So let's maintain our answer, which contains initially 1. So this condition is true. And if we'll consider the and if we'll consider the next substring, which is 40. So if we will see 240 mod of 40, we can see that the 40 is the divisor of 240, and so our answer will be incremented by 1, which points to 2. So we have two substrings of 240 which are divisible by 240, and it's also equal to k. So it has a length of 2. We have considered 24 and 40 are length of 2, and it's a divisor of num. So we have also considered the case that 24 and 40 are divisor of 240, so it meets our condition. So our answer of this example is 2. So let's proceed our approach. To solve this kind of question, first we will maintain a mod, and mod variable contains the value of 10 to the power of k. So if we will consider 10 to the power of k, which is 10 to the power 2, which is 100. Okay, 10 to the power 100. And if we will see that the condition of while loop is should be so as to check that whether we have two digits or not, because they have said that the length should be of k. So we should maintain that the length of the substring should be of k. So if we will consider, we will place this number in a temporary, so t equal to num, which is a temporary, so as to perform the computation on the further side, so that we should not modify this number. And the condition, the while loop will be while t is greater than equal to mod by 10. So why have I have written this condition? I have written this condition because it is used to check whether our t contains the two digits or not, means k digits or not. So if we will see that if we will mod our if we will take 240 mod of 100, we will get the last two digits, because 100 into 2 is 200, and if we will get the remainder, which we will get as 40. So if we will check with this condition of while loop, 40 is greater than equal to mod by 10, which is 100 by 10, which is 10. So 40 is greater than equal to 10, so the condition is matched. And if we, and now we will check that whether the 40 is divisible by 240. Yes, that 40 is divisible by 240 is divisible by 40, so our answer count will be incremented by 1. Okay, and after that we will divide our number by 10 so as to get the next other digits. So 240 divided by 10 which will come out to be 24. So now our t changes to be 24. Now see, we will check whether it contains the k digits or not. So we are checking whether it contains k digits or not by while condition. 24 is greater than or equal to 10. We have considered mod by 10 is 10 because 100 by 10 is 10. So 24 is greater than or equal to 10. Yes, the condition is matched. Now we'll check whether this 24 is a divisor of 240. Yes, 24 is a divisor of 240. So our answer count will be incremented by 1. So now our answer will become 2. And now we will divide 24 by 10 so as to get the next other digits. And if we will divide 24 by 10, we will get 2 because 10 into 2 is 20, and if we will subtract 24 by 20, we will get 4 as remainder. We will get 4 as remainder. So our t will be 4. Sorry, mistake. So our t will be 4, and we will check whether it contains k digits or not. We can see that it does not contain k digits. Let's verify it with while loop. 4 is greater than or equal to 10. No, the condition is false. So we'll come out of the while loop and print the answer. And answer is 2. So let's go to the coding part of the section. We have to maintain the temporary variable so that we could not modify the num. So I have taken t as the temporary variable. Now we will place the mod value as long because they have given that it could exceed from 1 to nums dot length. So as to avoid the overflow condition, I have maintained in long data type. So power of 10 to the power k. So as to find the mod value, and we will maintain answer count equal to 0. We will first check whether while our t is greater than or equal to mod by 10, so that contains the k digits. Now see, we will find the divisor variable, which is t mod of mod. We will check if this is not equal to 0, so that we could avoid the divide by 0 exception. And t and num is divisible by this, num percentage div equal to 0. So now we'll increment our answer count, and our t will be divided by 10. Just to get the next digits, let's return our answer. Let's run the code. It says num. Okay, I have viewed nums, should be num. Let's submit it. Thank you friends. If you like the solution useful, then you can like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also please friends, subscribe my channel and show some love.